How to make Keto Coffee Breakfast Shake. The ingredients: 6-ounce brewed coffee, 1 tablespoon MCT oil, 2 tablespoon heavy cream, 1 cup ice cubes, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 30 gram pea protein, 6-drop liquid stevia. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Pour the brewed coffee into a blender. 3. Add the MCT oil and liquid stevia into the blender. Let sit in the refrigerator and allow it to cool. 4. Add the heavy cream and pea protein into the blender. Blend until smooth. 5. Add in the ice cubes, the unsweetened almond milk and blend until smooth. 6. Pour into glasses, serve, and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 1 serving of Keto Coffee Breakfast Shake. Each serving comes out to be 359 calories, 27.4 grams fat, 2.2 grams net carbs, and 25.6 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.